Welcome to day 3. What the hell day am I on? 4. Welcome to day 4. The types of flowers that they plant in the park at the very beginning of spring, and they kind of, I think some of them may grow on their own, but for the most part they're planted, are daffodils, which are those yellow. I'll show you a clip somehow. I'll add it in now. But they're the yellow ones that have the corona that sticks out like a cup. I think they're used as like teacups in Alice in Wonderland, the Disney movie. No, Willy Wonka. That's what they're used as teacups in. Anyway, the funny thing is that their like other name, or like the category that they belong to, is narcissus, which is funny, being that so many of them are being planted in New York City, everywhere. And they're all narcissus. It's hilarious. It's like, just like the people, bunch of narcissists planted artificially in over-maintained gardens. So there's a fun trivia fact. So there's a fun trivia fact for you.